In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple keywords in Yoast SEO. To do that, first head over to their website, which is yoast.com. Once you're in there, proceed to head over and then click right here on this Explore Yoast SEO Premium if you want to subscribe to their service. You can also just use a free version. Just head over and click on this download free version option that will appear. Now, if you already have an account right there, proceed to click on this login option from here in order to log in into your account. You also need to head over right here into your WordPress by going to WordPress.com and signing up for an account by clicking into this Get Started. You can also log in if you already have on the site. Just head over and click on this. Let me show you what my site looks like. Here's my site right here. Just head over to the plugins and search for Yoast. Then install this one or the other one for premium. So this one is free, the other one is premium. So just choose which one you want to install. So if you want to add multiple keywords, I have right here this article. So to use multiple keywords, you can actually use this cover more ground in search engine results page. So when you target multiple keywords, you can attract a wider range of search queries and increase your website's visibility. To add it, just log into your WordPress dashboard and then go over to the Yoast SEO meta box and click on the keyword tab. Once you're in there, on the focus keyword field, just enter your primary keyword. This will be the main keyword you want to target for this post or page. Below that field, you'll find a section labeled Keyword Analysis, wherein you can add multiple keywords related to your focus keyword. Click the Add Keyword option in order to add it. And once you have added your secondary keywords, you can actually add third, fourth, and how many more you want. After that, you can just save the changes you have made so far. So while adding multiple keywords, make sure to just use relevant and related and avoid keyword stuffing and long tail keywords. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.